what are we doing? Wow! This is the new track. We're building with Noni. I'm gonna help him out too. And that's the big bridge we're gonna build.
Hey, so
Also, we have something in the water, kind of like track in the water, right?
Yes,
that's what it's supposed to be.
that's very cool. It's a sea set.
Okay, that's in the sea.
And it has this boat. It's supposed to go in the
Yeah, the
water.
boat's supposed to move the cars from one end to the end.
And the engine and the engine goes in there. It comes in
So it's gonna start from here.
here. It comes with this Thomas here. This Trackmaster Thomas.
Like, you see that? Trackmaster
C. Thomas.
C. Thomas. Okay.
And this is Thomas, and this is Percy's best friend.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Whoa.
Do you know Percy?
I didn't know Percy had a best friend.
Because it is best, and his other best friend is Gator. But you know Croc? Gator's real name.
Croc?
Yeah. Gator, that's Gator's real name, and everybody calls him Gator. I fixed this apart so I
What do you need? Buffer? What are you gonna do with
No,
buffer?
I'm gonna connect that right there.
So this one, you're gonna connect all the way
To the
after
header.
the bridge. The
Yep.
bridge.
But I still need to figure it out.
You gotta figure it out how to do it.
Because these are toy box for water.
Let me have it.
Hey, make sure.
Let-
Hey, you try
Okay.
it, and I'll keep the boat safe.
Yes.
There, that works with his tender. I got his tender to stop him. That was working.
This doesn't supposed to be something there
Oh,
to
yeah.
stop him?
What? There. Hey, here. How about this one can be the tracks that if anyone is showing off things.
Get on the other side so I can see what you're doing.
Oh yeah. Hey, so hey, look at this. Hey, Sonny, look at this.
Just like that. Ah,
Oh, he landed on his wheels. Did he?
yes.
He did.
On his feet.
He
He landed on his feet.
Hey, we should move this because guess what's happening?
Well, we're gonna move this, the whole thing like this.
Oh, then what?
See?
I'll get it. I'll get it. Hey, we got a blue one. Can I add a long one? I add the dynamite, my favorite.
What is that? Oh, the dynamite.
This is my
So
favorite.
this is the
This
bridge.
one-
The
this
bridge you put in. See the bridge? Once you pass the train, the wiggly bridge. It's like that. Pass the
Ride
train
it.
slowly. Not like that.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Slowly. That's it. Just like that.
There, and it doesn't break at
No.
all. But if
this
you go,
so that's the wiggly. That's
if you go
how it's
very fast, the coupling rods break off, right?
Yes.
That's why you have to go slow, and the couplings won't break.
Yes.
Look, the Gordy got a little. Oh, left.
So only Gordon and one of the
The engines.
coal thing.
This is the coal. I'll add the coal sign. We have peace.
Why? What is that? What is that?
A dynamite.
So it's your favorite piece?
Yeah, because I like it that I have to use this.
Why is it your favorite piece?
Because it can do this.
Oh, okay.
That's why, and it comes with diesel. Look.
So now what are you gonna do? Connect this to
Hey,
the
Ram,
other
look,
end.
Ram, I was trying to connect it. Look, curve. You need a curve that. If you need a curve that can go this way to get out of the way in the tank.
Yes.
Yep, that's not good.
So you got Harold there.
Yep. Because Because that was your favorite, so that's why I
Yes,
added it.
but I have another one here. I need another one here.
Oh, this is the station. That's the station, right?
Yes.
Yep. So that's why I added that one. And you like the big ones, don't you?
Yes.
Well, we have 4 of them.
Yes.
We have 2 little ones and one. And we have one big one. Whoop! I got it. Why is this moving off? Maybe if I. What's on? Why does it close to Why does it close to
Let me see. Why don't you get on the other side? Go on the other side.
If we try the other one, will it work? There.
What are you doing? You fix it?
I was just fixing it, that's all. That one.
Let me see. Okay, fix it. Did you fix it?
Yep. Because I fixed it because there was a problem with this. That's why I just fixed it.
What was the problem with that?
Because I don't know why does it keep coming off, that's why. Hey look at iPhone. Hey look, this stack is on this super cruiser.
Ah, that's on
why.
the edge. The Super Cruiser.
But it will be fine. That'll be
But
fine.
it's good, that's okay.
It's gonna be fine, right?
Yes.
Hey, Repent. You know what's gonna do? Gordon's leaving Sonor. Hey, so this one. So we'll call this station now.
Okay.
And there's the and I just
This is like a ferry.
Harry.
Ferry.
Hey,
See, that's ferry. That's what it does.
hey, pretend I'm gonna stop him if it falls. If it falls into the water, that train cause confusion and delay.
Yeah. That's
Hey, can you give me another one like this? Oh, there it is. I'll add a stage as one. I'll add 2 of these. I'm gonna add one right here. If anyone is going this way, the workman removes it. So right there.
yes.
So this one.
So this tells people not to come in because there's no boat to pick them up. They have to wait for the boat.
And then when you stop, you don't cause confusion.
Yeah, exactly.
If they do, if it's like that, the workers put it up, they're not causing. That's it like Gordon's Hill. That's Gordon's Hill. And this one is dangerous. I had to close this. I had to close this one. The Flying Scotsman. Flying Scotsman's coming up. And break! And he falls off the tracks. He falls right off the track. He falls right into the mud.
Oh.
He falls right into the mud.
So the carpet is the mud?
Yes. So in the passengers are not happy.
Oh, I'm gonna have to admit, I was busy upstairs and Eron finished his track all by himself without my help. But I helped yesterday a little bit. Let's see what he do.
I finished the long ones, and it wasn't too hard.
It wasn't too hard.
It wasn't too hard.
So,
and I had that extra.
and this, you added this one.
What do you mean?
Well, you need that?
If anyone got to cargo. one has cargoes. That's why I'm
Okay.
breaking.
If you need to fill some cargo,
And we can, and we don't have boat, but we only have a boat right here. But we can reach. Well, we can pretend. We can pretend there's no boat. Okay. And you know what's my last thing, Sonny?
what is your last name? Don't.
Last thing, I need to connect the goal, that one to that one. And then it'll be
Hold on.
all finished.
What are you gonna do?
Connect that one to that one. It will be
Oh,
all finished.
that one you're gonna connect it? Okay, let's see.
And it will be finished. It will almost be finished.
Holy smokes.
That present from? You know what that present from?
From who?
It's not from Santa. It's from my mom and dad and my grandma and grandpa.
Oh yeah?
So that it's not a present. It's not.
So the track is all finished.
Yep.
And it looks beautiful.
And I didn't run out of long ones. I didn't run out of long ones. Problem.
No problem. Did I do that? Not a problem. There's a problem. There was a problem too.
There we go. Little tiny one. Little tiny one. Infestation.
There's no problem anymore.
Yep. Well,
There's a problem. Oh yes.
why do they keep breaking apart?
Because it's too heavy.
How about if we go slow, then it won't, break apart. Why are we gonna leave this track forever?
What are you doing?
I need to back up.
I follow Gina. Let's see where she's going.
She's gonna go up.
Hold on.
Mine starts with
Oh.
Gina falls off the tracks. There was a problem.
Oh no.
Hey, let's put her right here. And when she... Hey, Brian's got to need a little help.
Right on top of Gina.